footage we can, you know. We want. We don't want to die though.
That's that brand new building I worked on.
Hey, wait for the hole.
Okay, sorry.
It's not a full building. It's all gone.
Yo, man, I worked on that shit for a temp agency one day. That's fucked. Remember I told you about that, even that retard dragging those tanks like they were nothing?
Probably dying.
They didn't have safety tanks and shit, man. Remember I told you that retard I worked with? As far as that shit.
Let's go along closer. Is it better fish?
How do I zoom?
You don't want to get closer?
Let's feel the heat from here, man.
I don't want to feel another big look at them though. They're there. You want to get footage?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it.
Come on, I only want to get this for a second, man.